Me pacho sa wo ho ye de. I never ye jagum fire. Hey, obi pompo. Ya win ye. Me pacho body ko Facebook Sompa 106.5Fm. Na ko share live. Be shese ne ade ye colors wa na abake astabia wedi wa ha no awrade. Abake pacho me yapon me ba training why me here steps bi. Na mo me her producer so yeah. Waka from ho. Abusia for me gidi so bia ho ye. Baby a wo bia, wajumem, wo fie, wo dem, wo asaso, wherever me gidi so ho ye papa. Ajay. Aha, no. Chai. Ah, yeah, hit. Just a hit all them 100 dollars, mommy. I was here for Mama Kwaba.
Yeah,
now I'm okay, Daniel Way. And no, we have one prediction. I see a pole.
You prediction in Yamini Boafu.
Oh,
and one.
So, I'm passing my dream of your bow.
And upon a whips, I'm saying, prediction, that will be from your castle baby and no prediction. Nancy, my prediction is Yamini Boafu.
Amen.
Oh, Missy, our.
Amen. Na just say onye ebo for there because
Alaji Gusa says nyame ya aduma ya barini
adum bidum ye ya asabo svelte lady
madam
Heish. This weekend they wash it up yes we are ready for you.
Oh Samu
we are ebo
nyame adum
there adum gidie ene patapa
match na de mo na mudi o muna moody. Say ja mo ko
je match na festival.
Festival.
Muna moody.
Edi match no. Just ya goals na mene. Na say na mi ra ha no. Producer say goals mi nko 5 shemensem. Nti me release. Na
say na wa dress the 5 ni unsem say.
Na me say me just ya chose ma ka kire odida. Ba ma hweso ye. Na hweso ye na nyame na ma me ko hu ye. E so no a wa hyehyɛ sɛ nene o sam hyehyɛ sɛ betena na pa na ma no ye ye o munya do a. Anyway, we thank God for today. I mean, we are always excited to have them listen to us. So obi enim say o'clock na do so no. Some delight o'clock. Me pacho Frobi. No be Frobi. No be so Frobi. I like I told me say ne Black Stars. Yes, celebrate you mo ha. I ansa na o man ko bo match the cry celebrate you mo den. E be for see at na say and Wednesday. You know, and a service excellence day. Until we know say you appreciate you be a why be a my ni so. Now of course producer the customer service training ni beba den. Then so come bi wo oh araba so no bi. Ene oni e be hwe abom. Enti no ye be tiesim na yakọ. Na unim na me wo word plan for today but me ba no na be for bam team.
Cash.
Well, definitely yatida, but of course it's na ha. Ye chere no obi esua no use ni ade into the very simple one be beba.
Okay.
But ye the Black Stars for nechi. Very very simple. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Bang. Councilor Sikako one any na ade no. Any na na.
We are starting a crisis.
We are starting. And the word for today, go getter. Go getter. Yeni abre. Mr. Buka just made the bibi ba. Masisa no na ma hyehyɛ for this week no masisa no.
Go getter na say go getter.
Go getter. Say go getter say.
Interest with them interest.
Producer men for reggae be say me high life every.
Mati madam.
Yo. Go getter. Enti yenkoi. Yen hwehwe the meaning that I ever met you.
It's simple. Enti or say a go getter is a proactive or organized and focused individual who bridges the gap between certain objectives and actively executing them.
Sharp.
It's as simple as that.
Very simple.
I so be a when ya die subi na o work it towards says I die sono a bit me
sa
obi a we very proactive and yes hey
na there be about
my planning near my way you my yes say na capepa so there be one go getter a capepa so when you go getter but if you are able to execute the plans on paper
that's right
na utimi ehu near what no manifest here and on your friend say oh you go get
sharp
blasters if
aish
ye jina konu
aish
we need buy and just say you go
getters and to me they not say a go getter is an ambitious self-motivated person who continuously sets and consistently and one achieves their objectives and say no into blasters way we go getters and and then the word now bro
12:45
and I'll be home
yo you better so me go get us but I mean
your sentences be met here for your sentences be more Oji what your sentence your sentence now
your sentence is new yanka
when you
be read you and menya me who wa but
revelation
menya susu yase characteristics of go-getters.
Oh okay fabra
about o kana
me patcho fabra me hwehwe me sentence.
Number 1 they are not cowards.
Okay omunye ehufo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Number 2 they are disciplinarians.
Oh I see.
And number 3 go-getters, what excites them is the results they get.
Asa minimum bi otisa otibenim cca
the results so these are 3 characteristics.
Okay,
they are not cowards. If you are coward, forget it.
Okay,
so only adum gidi any patapa you are not a go getter.
Sa maybe we so kwaka hon resilient.
Yes.
So money e din biam and stop you mo I
consistent spirit.
Sa anyway and that sentence be e wa hefa sentence you found ho bra ha ne enfa metie fo ne enkoy ene no go getters ye nyina if I would tie yen aka che ho I am a go getter. Declare it na ebeba so anyway enti in fact sentence na maka no I am a go getter
as simple as
I am a go getter so you can describe yourself as a go getter no enti etie for yesra mo se ma amunim Muyusu. No. Okay. Say na ya kase ne antisika. Na ehwe abum na antisika oye teacher. In fact na oye teacher. Sisi ano oye interpret entrepreneur. Enti no my musa no go getter yi ene ya ye introduce go getter Black Stars ebeboy. Sister Shenkom ne enko.
Black Stars senior boss adi kan no ye di omo shi nyamensa rade di omo kan
Christopher
na bibia emnya jojo
amen
omo shi omo di go so my
na wonim say one train ye one ya wo tactics ye one ye wo research hu nkofo ane omo boy se ne omo bo no ne ade na wo di gidie ne eyi nko na ekode a wo be basa wo be no nkwan
eno anya se gidie hunu anyway enti atisika ma na yi de na ye nkodi kokonsa kakra ne yemra ho
anyway na crowd here because of community na me yes kokonsa no
o the best
fridge but we just talk about March no
it's predictions nembra na
ne nyina ye nim se Black Stars
they be train answer I dem cry kokonsa crane
ampa amamre yenseno crane
that's it. See, and ye nyina ye nim se the Black Stars of Ghana ye jina kono ye ne Panama e wo match anajo 11 enti mo adwen se match na mo beda agya ho no
Omu prefect de me. Omu prefect de me.
Ewia we mun take mo nap no. Said e be ya mo ni nkum. Ah, ye ne mu nyina na ehwe tu ase. Enti pe o chips bi. Na ana pe o popcorn bi. Na jo drink bi si ho. Ti said ye we nya movie date night na pepepe. Na che say from 11 p.m. no. Mo dia to amu a.
Auntie Adwe. Obi si WhatsApp no mate so.
Me fa.
Me nya ho akukudro.
Simple you mate.
Ai
Chacha.
Chacha. Ingredients say pede mo wo be.
Yo.
Pede mo e wo be. Nti Auntie Adwa wa pede no.
Oh,
ye be ni sa. Ye be ni
match no. Mo match.
Oh, ye be.
I don't know. Nyame ne ebuafo e winye ye be so ye ne ewini.
Enti no.
Ye be so ye ne ehu ne esi ye.
Ne ewini.
Mo amosha nkombo ne no munyai. Enti we are
ana uti ye no sukra ka kongonsa uti also for we say group stages no I mean group stage no ye mpa ho kora e na obi su be ka say ye wan ka say be pa ho o si so for ye nim dida enye we ye nye nkom
enye prophecy
we de enye nkom she ye nim dida
me blasters be surprise
oh yes
Ghana for mama nyesa
o metunya shock
you see ye de anoka ensembọ ni wiye na esia na ya basi wo si e kan na wo hye nkombo ne no then na wo expect say beba nipa na ekobo match o si o nkrofo wo mbe hye yen omo kwa mpampa so no omo hye yen a mo say ya hye nkom de ye kan ye na bemba nkombo ne enti no we are throwing our support behind the Black Stars of Ghana mo fama no kan sempa me se Ghana fo wo mo say your challenges with FA no ne Black Stars team nankasa any your money but I'm telling you that the biggest weapon fashioned against the Black Stars of Ghana ya no I'm telling you
oh yes
sister
it's mo kan sempa
yebeka but ne Panama da ho na mo de ato ho ye training papa bia na say I mean bibia was so mo ye bia
I mean they train for that
now where quite frefre kobo
they train
no team na quite frefre kobo
and make us say your challenges dear but your biggest weapon no fashioned against the Black Stars ya no oh enye anyway you may we know they predict a win for Ghana either say 1-0 straight
okay
and I say 2-1 enti one goal na Black Star edibe go ahead of Panama.
Okay.
It is anya 1-0 la.
Okay.
2-1 difference no is still one goal.
Okay.
That's what me predict to say betimi see. Ebi won so ka 3-1 ni 3-0 ni ade eni de keka ho nti no.
Na ko no so mo so my red no mabo.
Aka say obi animbo. Esi obi animbo.
O mo nko hepo.
Ye mfa mpa bonta o metwe na ye fa support bia so. Ye say ya konoma blasters na kofom but I'm telling you go everywhere go to Facebook go to TikTok go everywhere
the love is
people
back.
Are repping their jerseys and all that
yes.
The
love is back yeah it's back it's back into no mo nyama na nyamo na yen feeling more sisi ana ashase nka first no sister ne bra but she said obi are enthusiastic because he be bomb match say yes I World Cup in quantity but odon eba nti also
bring back the love
audition come
Ajua
ye be bon come
Ajua one go project one go project no na open 1-2-1 it says 3-2 4-3
now 5-4 who they also dey
me say nyame ye boafo
eno ye kind go
yan fa ma ye krampo a ye beje nti ba o mi say win the minimum ni win ama fa ma ye kra ye beje
okay
nti e dey be win but ye tu Ghana fofo eni say ni etwemu bia no aya na me mpe ade a etwemu na what ura another new dispensation we are different dispensation a group of people new generation e kobobo no and I send you
more about for
I'm for Christo into my Daniel about the enti mama ye ma say sia ene me share video bi
okay
ene ya ewo US
okay
no Canada rather na samaja ni official bi omonam the we are na Ghana for more Canada mu hailing no. Hey. Me try me shading am say hey, coach for cause a penalty. The same people ya na didi na temu. Oh, I say striker all time, the whole world. Come to say go shini pa.
Na Jesus scroll man fanya no.
Yes. Human beings exhibit their endorsements based on their moods.
No, you're right.
Inti ene obi heliwa. David. Inti ya kan kosi say players no. Winning Ghana for ya no da. Mama for enu masem nya adwuma ho. Mommo na mo wini. Mama for enu masem nya hwe. Mba obi basma meka bibi na obi be so mi si we. Nti wan so mi so anka den na benya. Players, mama so get one get focus.
Na goal getters for today. Goal getters. Focus.
Exactly. Ya rewo se pate intimi. Mama prayer so. Amfa but nyameni ye boafo.
And then I be too obviously that ye cry ye de pate ni impact ni when sa anyway you fan 20
anyway auntie Abena me
and we are simun sensem oh I mean obia odwen hwekan a nsem bi wo ho entoto yeah we call a spade of course when you're convicted we can't, you and I were not there but the fact that allegations na bani there, there's no smoke without fire. See, and the mood is omo mukobo no mu wini nti pacho go get us na me. Ata da na be ka bibi.
Yensre you see we dey ekosui we dey just by the way. Me pacho guess no wo hwe omo hu yi. Guess no. Me nka girls kwa na be wa so guess.
Do mo Canada na US na Ghana.
Me ka krom ha. Ko show bi dem DSTV na yi binti. Ko show bi dem ama. And woman you're very careful. Channels you bebre say matching is everywhere.
Oh yes, it's everywhere.
Fa we nko ye excuse nko frɛ bra bi say.
Remember 11 p.m. so
adiasan. Show them nada. On her match na akada.
Especially university for na yejeje mama mo akọ school no. Omo hwe mo hu ye.
Utu ekurafo anu etu han so.
Ebi kura akọji eyi apartment a womo a connecting yema yekohwe in groups. To say house be house warming and bi anu makọji baabi no. Saa na ebi mo ekoye.
Boy.
Emu drinks nsane ade yesremu bi eye ball keke. Ball ne yekobo nye na wo bo. Ubusuani bi anim.
Utu manofo no. Eso tu mema no sofo.
Ai.
Na wo 11 p.m. na wo kwa wo hye wo de na oba afro se me behwe bo a. Eso hu sa amane ne de bre wo.
Amane ne de ba no.
We de abenya asem. Ai, we de abenya asem. Ade afu bia ansam ho. We de abenya asem. Expiring date in Ghana na say. Enya say.
Anyway, enti umiema counselor Sika Coleman Akwaba. Ya want a chance I want to akasa dida go get her done. So teacher, why teacher dan into no na me person can go get her that say no aka pepe. Na ne nwom nti na wa ba around no. Lady Joan, em say ma we pia kwa nim na edu ho na ne aye de. Enti anti Sika ya wa Akwaba but Sompa delight so. Na uni mama mre wa ha. I was so to me but Sompa delight na nkomo no asha ase enti ero ho
Sompa
delight oh say na svelte lady ebo so she say we one touch sana Panama ne Black Stars born e be one touch
na crazy
since now from where baby aboko oh good to see you
you are looking good
thank you
repping your jersey because I remember I composed an anthem for NAC, Ghana National Association of Councillors. The MD called and said they need an anthem.
Okay.
I just told her, the way I receive my songs, I don't think I can do this. Then from nowhere, whilst I was meditating, I received the lyrics, everything with a tune. And when I pointed to it, that is what they are using.
Oh, that's amazing. So like you're saying, once you're attentive,
I just need to Make time for God. That is how I call it. And that's it. That's it. And
that's a great.
I really appreciate. I thank God for that.
For that.
It's not.
Come on, hear me there. Come on, hear me there. And in your may say. Mekwa akɔgye nkrato na me ba ye be san ato aso because e was see tie yawe no yawe ni de bomb na ye di pia blasters for na chi because
God has been good to them. At least he's caused them to pass through all the stages. I mean, we have to celebrate God for that.
Enti Counselor Sika, we are still with you here. Yeah, beko akɔgye nkrato na ya bana ye ne Counselor Sika to ankomodie ne so na afei you do customer service, you know, if it's a training time, and then you can also call. In fact, Neno, wait me my prediction. Now, face a will be able to and I could be able to no abo and that's a question be customer service. Producer the training in barrier. Ube to me, yes, sir. Not na Lexter Company Limited. I say, producing. Yas toothpaste, any Yas toothbrush. They be ana mekano. Say ya betlani esresreni efifi yesi ane also who say Yas toothpaste, any toothbrush. And I use I mean I hwam I mean yesi I say switchy. Ahoma I enti abusuan for ye try ye ho aba ye ba ye ne Counselor Sika ebe to ankomo ne so.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene efa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia je 21st clinic in Kwa. Woman dear bibidro and a besan ya no masa de machine aka ho. Eya sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eya sciatica e na stroke nso de kwa. Diabetes ne hypertension ne ade. Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho. Enkran ha. Se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout. Se wo fi enkran e ba. Ye wo wonsa ni fa so. Wo fra masaman so na e ba nso a. Wonsa bonkum so. E ho na wo behu ye. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods. Abakade. Enye diane ni diane o. Ye we diane ni we diane. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha. Ahemfo. Eyi akese. Wedding akese. Party akese. Se mu pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho. Se ye buffet ene wo mo ye. Se ye local continental dishes a. Wo bi etwa nani a. Hajia special local foods. E wo hacho. Atomic kwan no so ho no. Die ntie fe ni local foods ne se. Enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo matentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro na wo de aye aduane se ehya abontine aduane edi enye ne bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese aye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food upese ofra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 anasa 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for na wodem
eh medo edrano pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se me de Yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwimesima minya homka senti na ye bokoi na me die me all time favorite Yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me amasesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me selfimfem me biem na won hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me de twimese enti na wo se afei na Yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ni de ebo wo se ho ban demu ni nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes,
Enukrotrodo, Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, any Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and any brush, Abusian Chamfa.
Sawo pedudu 2 e won kran ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste mo ahodo, and the brush abadwaso, ababoy.
Tontonte, Yanum Sani Fadrin.
Near Fadrin Pa, say Nananum say Brebi Beba, Ama Tontina 74, Upa and simple T74, Abeyedru.
Tontina 74 and T74, Asachi Yadjini Esinanamu doso, said the Nadu Buaman and Nanum and Yare Basabasano, Sana Tontina 74 and T74, Ebweni Pedriano.
And my immune support, Ethiopia Numbiano, Abrebia, no hundred day.
Tontina 74 years so Yayan says, Kukruwa Kama, Eti Baby, I wouldn't be out to me the Wadiako.
Samina and Kefi Nekui, and Danon Conaway, Wabra Menum T74.
Saminum Tontina 74 Minyam Wadi, Menum the Debia.
T74 Hahama and Yadiaye, na DHC, and our Framanaya Kamasano. T74 and Wardania Pumdinkwa.
Woko Pharmacy and na baby to no beer, Ubenya Tontina 74 Ibiato.
T74 and ya more bow fefru, and na Ubia Oma Nufo, and I say, Ubia Onion Fear Dumin.
At to phone 050-162-8931 and a 0246-073-498. FDA at G. Ejedian Kratzway Atum.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di for wastrano ewe brim and am nensaso ama onyankopon we ya won wade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And masom perfect service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda no nyina share radens na erade beye.
Yeah, that's it.
I know, Oshobo.
Okay.
All right. No, that's a good work. It's very easy.
Yawa is out. Released on the 7th. Yeah, released 7th June.
Oh,
and that was my birthday as
that
well.
was your birthday.
Yeah.
Oh, belated happy birthday.
Thank you, my lady.
Wow. And were all online stores.
Online streaming stores. It's on YouTube as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And there's a video.
Yes, video on YouTube.
Amazing. Into Sika Coleman and a Dean or
Sika Coleman.
I'm saying for Monkosha video no nefe. Me no me hu. Enti no make me different dance here.
You were part of the song.
A beautiful video. So I know, right? A beautiful video. Why are they? I know, say, doing music ain't easy. And how is it like? Do you have an executive producer or you do it yourself? Like me, myself, and my family?
Me, myself, and my husband.
I know.
My husband has been my number one. Even when me, myself, I know they jam with the song. As soon as my husband has gone through. When I hear the song, I'll record on WhatsApp and forward to him.
Okay.
So he hears it raw.
Okay.
And then he hears the produced work.
Okay.
And I thank you for the love, the encouragement, the support, everything.
So for Coleman, you too. We thank God. Thank God. So what's next for Sika Coleman Ministries? What's going on?
Yeah, we are trusting God. Tokens of Praise has come to stay. So every year, we plan a praise night, praise and worship night.
Okay.
This is our 3rd year. So God willing, we are praying that, trusting God to keep us going. Every year we'll have tokens of praise.
Okay.
To the glory of God.
We'll
have that gathering.
Wow.
And then we might record an EP.
Okay.
When God give us the grace.
I see.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh boy, Juma. So in terms of ministry, is it just the music you do? And as a counselor, there's something else.
I do music, I do counseling.
Okay.
Then I have a bakery, Sika Bread.
I know the entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Entrepreneurial side, you know, yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
and
wow.
when we are talking about ministry, we always take the finance out. But the bakery is part of the ministry.
Okay.
Because you can't push your ministry without
money.
So whatever we get from, we should always have in mind that whatever you are doing, you should have the fuel for the ministry.
Okay.
So Sika bread is actually part of the fuel.
Wow. Wow.
Reverend Coleman is pushing, but Sika bread is giving the support. So
I see.
So when
Sika bread,
you read
are
my
the brain
bio
behind,
and I'm giving the thing, Sika bread is part. We are
I
also the
see.
producers of Sika bread.
Nice.
The finest bread in Ghana. You love it.
I know. Now some me catch us me name the row. I take for Nande, me person what. Oh wow, that's
bread.
amazing.
We have a new addition called the meat bread.
And now my idea bread in the
Daniel. It's a whole meal on its own.
I see.
You just need your natural drink or whatever to push it.
Wow.
You are good to go.
Hey, it's yes, Sika bread and now the piano no so.
Yeah, very fine.
Yeah, then I say, Auntie Sika, oh, we're excited that you made time to come to Sompa Delight. Yeah. So, message me our person the BMT for, you know, now if they will contact her to about or social media handles.
Yeah, so Yahweh is out. You might be hearing me new for the first time, but we are there. Nyame di happy. And Mohwehwe Sika Coleman, social media, wherever you find us. On TikTok is Sika Coleman songs.
Okay.
All our songs, you can get at least the link to get it on YouTube.
Okay.
On YouTube is Sika
See,
Coleman.
if I want to do a video on TikTok and I go there and I click Sika Coleman, I search Sika Coleman songs.
Yeah.
I will get Yahweh. And all the other songs.
All the other songs.
Wow.
You go to Facebook. I have Sika Coleman.
Okay.
And then Sika Coleman Ministries.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
So
now Instagram name.
Instagram is Sika _Coleman.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sika Coleman. Oh, I'm excited you made time to come and congratulations on your new single.
Thank you.
Erade. And Koswa na onfa unko enim.
Yes. And hello to women in gospel music. For women in gospel now pushing do baby.
We thank God. We
the
thank
exposure
God.
People have given us. We are Mary baby I will be riding shrine. And all the elders. Thank you.
Yeah.
And Reverend Coleman. Abi, you know that the love is deep. I love you. Happy Father's Day in advance.
Exactly.
And to all the men of God that had been a blessing to Sika Coleman, I don't take it lightly at all. Yes, I take it and where I fellowship currently.
Okay.
Laugh Tabernacle. I'm grateful for the.
And the Assemblies of God now.
Assemblies of God is, I've always said I have two churches.
Okay.
Laugh Tabernacle is where Daddy is fellowshipping. And then Assemblies of God is a community church close to our house.
Okay,
so we are a friend of the church. And that's why we host Token of Praise.
Okay.
So we are a friend of Assemblies of God, but we fellowship at Laugh Tabernacle.
I see. No.
Tema Community 12. Yeah. So,
Matthias.
But I am AG.
So school AGCM now
after school I was with AG until so AG na woman dada.
Nice. I was there for and to my streaming Yahweh a powerful song. I mean you need to hear it over and over again. I will be uplifted with spirit.
If you want to worship,
exactly.
Play Yahweh. Exactly. It will help you pray along, sing along.
Auntie Sika, yedase say tune suffer waba na ene so service excellence day no what dan kofo say no an on Wednesdays obi aye bia nti na me ka say Reverend Coleman e was say to me danase na wa ye deda ti wa ye ni nyina yedase se wo ba ye Nyankopon onhyira na onkyere wa hye mo ma ministry no enyini encourage then to say eyi nkofo nte wonka bebre ne ya wa ba Sompa Delight so enye eyi ahyensode say the ministry no ebe kwa echire papa because I mean wa ba Sompa so ai
my pass on
pass it is yedase so ba nyame onsha pa amen I was here for NT Councillor Sika Coleman and ye ne twetwe nkomo no ai na ne ministry ni de edem gidi ba ko bi say ya wono anka ho asem memeka ayo oboaboa awarefo ano myopia say mawopi and in the counseling side ho no
Married Women of Prayer International. You're all doing good and you're married. Shalom.
And mawopi for say ochiamo so inti mama yehwe na chira kwan ewo social media Sika Coleman on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook baby na yene ne enhwembom ye srera dem pae say I mean on ma ne ministry ne enkwa chire pa we been in gospel for the mo amunim de bia mepia mo achi. All right, I'm say for inti ne ye betie customer service training nim director, why ready? Nene in some of the can easy. Until we will do that for some time. Now for your be phone lines, no. Now wow, besa obebo be a basu, ube bibia no, ube to me ababe. Until yes, no. Men come baby, and now names are some delighted yet. You entertain you, near inform you, near educate you, and you know it is your best social entertainment program in the city, the only one in the city. I'm passing Ghana Black Stars yo. Ebusia for more umpire because I was here need to meet by Ochina Nopa. Me, I'm not there. Me some prediction today. Until I draw the now 2-1 because Panama for no man must be help. Tell to me now on gas 1-0 need and then every at least I was say Mushabako into Yashe. But yeah, then I was say more into say 2-1, say 3-1. We did 2 by 1-0 there. Anyway, Ofajari.
Yes, madam.
Yes, see customer service training. Akachi intino. Ye jam mama. Yes, no. Do jam. Yo.
Yeah, that's it. Now, quick one. You per se. The last 2 weeks. Yeah, baby can cry. And the last week so. Yeah, touchy baby.
Sir.
You per se. Yeah, a quick recap.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Bien funny. Recap, then we will add up to
sir.
Yeah, but before the next week, a very sensitive part of customer service. It's a very sensitive part of customer service. One of the, wow, your business be SOT. Yeah, and even I've said it earlier that last week say customer service is not just academic discipline be and it's not just a course be and it's not just a training be. It's a way of life.
That's right.
Once you relate with people, you should understand that people management and how to handle very important. It is a way of life.
Yeah.
It is a where the winning born on a friend is saying winning born on penny pa. You should know that as I'm here to because obi are training move for you. It means that we a business obi are so you lose. So that's why it's a way of life. All right. Last week here can be say customer service no a year kwan ya befa so a obi me bon to fa kwan befa so obi kura or customers any can be say customer no on any wine or you be a or my business ni jina or you be a or this is kaba business ni or you be on my business ni nyankwa without customers your business don't have life and see customer no you can say you be a or my business ni nyankwa because they are ukoto ade and so they are dey ebesi so woton na say wan beto a eduane a odi be kofie akwa akodi
udi ebefunu
na we na kofre eduane ase o ma me bi woton emone froye
okay
emone froye anopa ewiem na emone froye obeton nti oton ade na say monto a na say etai obebre a mo ndi amubesen di o mo ndi amubesen
say so ba ko si wo san de aba
what they share the obey ni enwumre no say enwumre da na iboko even school for ne konkofo apon ya de one so dia odinsu akọ no ya no rice water no the milk ni broda go ni nkate
no aton
oh mo talk keke edwe na obo akra omo 21 dia
over said
ha enti o say why aduane so na untimi like anasa unya customers ebe boss ebe boss that was just by the way enti yeto aso eso emma tidbit kakra ye ka key aspects of customer service and the edit can ye ka say effective communication.
Okay.
Very important. Yeto aso koka say there should be active listening.
Yeah.
That's one key aspect of customer service. And yeto aso ka say professionalism.
Okay.
It doesn't matter the size of your business and the size of your customers or the number of your customers. You should be professional.
Okay.
So contain and out provisions you should be professional. Sanim dewe say unya. All right. And yes anzuka empathy.
Okay.
Say like o customers no omo feelings the way they feel oti o mase. Understanding their feelings no. You should also have that a friend say. And there can problem solving. Problem solving. Once you can't satisfy everybody. And then there will be issues here and there. You should be in the position to solve them. Me and Jan Mane and Kosa, we said it's a very important aspect of it. Sometimes you may not see it, but you should identify problems.
Okay.
If you are share, send your toward and I send a man for bound a swatia.
No,
identify what is the problem and make sure that you rectify it. Not about my business and so. And yes, also can say handling complaints.
Okay.
Until next week, you know, your baby.
And no in detail.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Because any good Ghana business is baby.
Yeah.
How to handle customer complaints. If you come with a customer complaint, I just person say wait man, Darby. Good. Until you can say complaints are opportunities to improve customer relationships.
Okay.
Customer never can idea na ni anje ho a wa ma information na ka bia nka unim wa ma information to be na some information na o dey ma no so then when you improve your point the CCBB it's next week we will delve into it
deeper into
several types of complaining customers.
Okay.
Then, yeah and yes also can I think say yes also can telephone etiquette.
Okay.
Right. Last week last week
me product knowledge.
All right, that's
telephone
fine.
Etiquette
Good. So you call telephone etiquette internet telephone etiquette all right. It's no so mean said that ramu bebre sa but memma because me say Auntie Melissa obedru.
Okay, ampa obey no so no so be etiquette.
Good. Into memma aspect
what you say nyama ya oboy bi any etiquette no because of course customer service no say yes senia ube down your di actually nkofo sa pepe na say etiquette. Okay, that's fine.
So it's part of customer service. All right. Enti eneno yenhwe telephone etiquette.
Okay.
Telephone etiquette. Impembe bre no anase business ni bi wonoma yene e customers e kasa of phone so.
Okay.
Oye den ya sempo se container bi ne we bie bodwa bi po na e table so a. Sometimes o area mu won kofo moto ade o mo na ma obitim bi say Auntie Abena me pa cho wo meko ho.
Aye.
And at last when I can say asano ebiaba only kasa of phone. So at every point in time no only customer e kasa e wo phone so. Enti as I say yehu niema bia o see sometimes our responses no the way kasa of phone so
no nkofo
oh yeah hello customer I'll be like I am from me on just go on my yes nti say yehu sania ye kasa e wo phone so Auntie Melissa be ko ho ye you make sure say aside everything no kasa of phone so you're making sure that calmness in your voice
okay
should be there that calmness in your voice should be there. Send a beer, a be mani panania any bed say first time I know cast. They be on castle phones.
Yeah.
You should pay attention to it.
Anna, maybe I in Chim of Jerry. Those times I work corporate sector. No, now you see, BB say, Obi Frel now, picky phone na smiley. O smiley, Esisa, Sanya, Obe Jenny, so, and now no so be nya impact, no.
Yes.
And no, me have a won't say me pessere, but a cat. And to me, phone na, no man, me say, and on a wow. Emma nia wu kano nipa nunya feel no ho aha nse na okasa beka say oh boadio oh ye pleasant o enti no man ye unya pick your phone na wanwe o se I mean obi obeka say eh na me nko na mete ho na me smile na but it's a way of you sending a message across to the person on the other side when they say me boo na me awu ke bia no I mean metie that kind of thing
and as me enjoy say me no
kasa
o frame cry me dey what you say
nti customer service na was here to me inculcate sadie name to us okay
obi o mo hu da so the way an kasa phone lady we pa oba pa no kasa
exactly na I say bibia
all right nti your school na dey ba ko e chere ni say enedam etomitrim pa let's say o frɛ company bi na ebom 3 times na one form you see
that's true that's true and like I said until at least I call telephone etiquette I better be brave because that's the thing obi from 1 2 3 nise nipa no onye serious obi mu omo na ring ya kring there be enye correct
ideally no
customer service
nipa nya frɛ boom ene ye one boom 2 boom 3 eso fa eto asope nipa ni enim say company ni serious because what it means is that phone no business phone has been left idle.
It's just obi eni ho
nipa any responsibility on tena ho so the phone is alone. That's the impression. Nti the person can say answer promptly. Your frewa once your business line and now the unim so the number no business na dey your free pay
so far
in term so enti ofa say a very corporate place ofa mfa say we am receiving phone call ha
Sompa hey
hello good morning Sompa FM Accra pacho wine enti introduce yourself and the company
so be boldin aka ho
okay nti ebia efa ne say de bia na me de ebia ton ade o container man shop aya no mu say this thing is above them
share baby o betumi use e no kra dem ma wo dance so no
yes but aya
no exceptional
and I mean no trainings are me de man no enye corporate a friend is enko me container phone na me
exactly
one work akra me advise you say obesho provision shop amount obesho shop amount give the person training aya den ya bibi be fa na wa ko school the ebeka no obi bia ebefem nti no so wo container bi mu a eno nkyere say saade a yeken udi so enye yi udi so yeye pa ma wona o kan na ma wo dance ma dance the fan so obi afrɛ nipa bebre so e de omna be se go container ho
so be friend no ebi po be friend no na switched off enso so eno na ewo ho
eno eso jisuye se na ye ka no eso ansa ntete eso jisuye oh hello auntie ama provision shop ni o mpacho hani like am I dance so your provision shop na me frɛ ana o your shop bi na me frɛ me to na yesa am me say
na ni abie te say na ni abie ai
mechanic bi amre bi de car bi come na che na ura wa I say hospital or yan near my hospital ura shop up first thing and then no afabuku atro okay now the phone number I say obe kwa ba fine obe wa then omo the machine she so mo hwe
I see na diagnose
I see no enye say wayside mechanical no ko investi
ayo
ko mechanical engineer why machines na
obi sa no ho ube tu kwan free from her to Nyankwanzuru na ndo ka akoma no because unim say onim na dia oye no exactly in the customer service there wutumi ye ni ye a wunya loyal customers na kofa omo na do or die for them, you know.
Nti yamfa say speak clearly and confidently yanko yambo so ntem say o kasa akuduro so
okay
what for phone no? So yes on the phone ma emu enda ho and afi avoid putting customers on hold unnecessarily.
Yeah,
please hold on.
No jina so sa amanfo ya enimi hold on now jina so sa enye bad customer service
nti nipa cho yenja so unim say ebecha de o ya ma nipa kwara ebecha catch and so be friend back dan so the basis eban say that
because e bi opa woman hold on now ko e bi fufa now ref you
yes
now ref say nipa no wo ho no weja no wo nti no rather no yen kan kire o mu so wonim se wo ye bibia wontumi nyae ne attend to no woman ya we no wa gi number no wa free back okay
very important an aspect of customer service you be call side no so
okay
intro on our straightforward things to your customers. Okay. And now thank customers before ending the call.
Okay.
When I say we done say.
Okay.
That's a pass of me and blah 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 blah. And to me example good morning. Thank you for calling Sompa FM. My name is Jeremiah. How may I assist you today?
Okay.
Good morning. Me that's all fresh Sompa FM. Your friend me Jeremiah and I friend me Jerry and Pacho. Mwabi ho metimi di
wow.
Then we go there. Yanya ntem na aka ne ewie in the next 5 minutes.
Okay.
Say to me managing difficult customers. It's an aspect of customer service.
Okay.
Managing
difficult customers. Instead telephone ne ho ana say e call another one.
No, another aspect. Telephone etiquette an aspect of it.
Okay.
Product knowledge.
Okay.
Any handling.
Another one.
Okay. Account. Any telephone etiquette. No. And I feel the next point.
Okay.
As you are managing difficult customers.
All right. Okay.
This is key. Your bad customer complaints are. Remember types of complaining customers.
Okay.
Now being obia ni suni ni banse tie. If you're able to master how to manage them. There you go. There you go. Your customers be on man. You can turn them into your marketers without paying them.
Yeah.
They can also be very dangerous. Yes. Until next week, you delve deep into
it. Okay.
Not all customers will become unpleasant. And your customer be an hojo. A be cause problem. Why you just say, "Opa, that form man still be cause problem." You should know how to manage them. You see, two wrongs can never be what?
Right.
Exactly. And the Bible says soft answer turns away wrath. Into so nipa no or pray or ye gidi ni adia. Stay calm. What the old joke so no you can be calm. Don't forget that. And I remember when say, "O customer no, ono na all my business ne nkwa."
Ane.
Until you just be calm.
Okay.
Be calm. Now, me ya no customer bi on ma obedi wata no obese obekire eniamo hu niema bi
actual
me ya no ena the obeka no so don't take it personal.
Okay.
Because you taking it personal na be ya o ya ma be ya no hwe se on ya customer bi ada o de opese o ye no o kan se me men taking it personal fan say ejuma na anade na oba beto no eso fa so obenyanti na o ye sa manenye na eko so o reply na ebedani insem baby. Now fe was so very difficult to focus on solving the issue no the buy no.
Okay.
Just focus on the issue. Don't focus on nipa no nia okeka ni attitude ni sunu ni buy no. Now fe so know when to seek assistance from a supervisor. Ebi asem odi aba no.
Eya bro so. Okay.
Men force ya say because the more now force ni na ekono na eye complicated.
Okay.
Nti ejuma wura wo ho a ana obi a owo soro.
Okay.
Supervisor na superior wo a obetimi ne di hu
opinion bi one wo ho no na they are dying no. Sometimes when one technique the experience I have gathered no me only say
se customer bi ba na anti Abena se won chen no buy na afi ade no koye banta na afi o refer ma and I refer ma me number 1 there has been a new face afi obey say you are who your old person who didn't issue need that only when you issue no another person can obey say or explain asem no then that new person or kita new face no can use that opportunity to calm the customer down
nti na was say bro so now they are comma okay
don't get it more complicated.
Okay
yes, okay, so quickly remember that a calm response can often calm an angry customer. Say the Bible can soft answer turns away rough.
That's right.
Nti nipa na you know oye na oba down man e betimi ama on.
Ama kai professor safo ni term na ya na omuka na.
O say fa jimi fa nyansa jimi ano.
Anyway, so producer say yeah the best here ana ya man bebre fine and now person rap here.
Aka we pay me wrap up na we ano
because bebre na ya saturated nti e ne kakra
tot na no ano no so e bubu 3 o
e bubu nti aka ba go
yes nti after follow up and customer retention is a key aspect of customer service. Excellent customer service does not always end when the issue is resolved. Ofo say wa solve it no follow up
nti wa ha na wa friend nipa no oh me hwe say ya na
tie say na product list say na you dey sorry pa say na no enye ade a ye no but abetom sa ntina me bomb modern say me solve am dey come akoma to yem na afi eno no will give you a positive friends
image
so ye no 10 golden rules of customer service me boss with tie phone ye no kra no
okay
say say serious smiling you should smile and be friendly so ben anyankofo bi be ba o e be ba only customer in term tie yie listen actively and so ubu customer no be respectful be patient ayanya akoma ejo ema customer no and afen so some dey how be ba aya presse ube solve your mom tem respond promptly and o products are o ton o services are o offer for sikano hwe se obenya hunimdie se na be ya obisa customer bisa questions bia obetimi etimi yi na no obenya jinasie obetimi atwe no obenya antiasie and afen so hwe o customers boa diso keep your promises and say
and you say you be ma we be say ma we be na you fly
where you go for okay and solve the problems also and treat every customer as important Mr. Ghana for was issues in part next week you deal with customer complaints you talk about some of these things always exceed customer expectations and unti send e be ya customer beji we di no men go over promise and I say men could draw or project no service no one to the extent that do time so offer na go below the belt. It is better ube promising moderately and then you exceed
over deliver under promise and over deliver.
Enti enye customer service nya ade a wo serve customers keke eye bibia o yama ede nkaye die bi abre customer no enti yen hye ne so.
Wow. Me dey understand beto and producer say yenya ka say ye be ma customer service tips every time from next week Monday no ye be ye na 10 golden principles say was say to me repeat because who here that's it why ni nyina customer service guru and kasa and when say you dwuma ko bi person o mo frɛ for customer service training e was so mo to me friend now come on because who here
I am here na make no me same
baby
they are doing very well.
That's right.
My client back through my customer service training they come on they won an award.
Munya award.
Yes,
wow.
Award from their group.
Producer 1 Elder Jerry don't know ebusia for enti mesamo emre na aka no me de nyina ebe mamo enti 0260 19 60 64 0260 19 60 65. Mrs. Subium 0260 19 60 64 and 0260 19 60 65. Na uba ohun be predict it because Ghana match no e was say to me kabi go mabra boso na ye na fe ne eye time a obetumi aba obi aba so obetumi obi a waye bibia ma wa wani je ho no obetumi aba bebo na ba so until then you can say you can talk about that. Na fe customer service ade a yesuan wo bibi ka wo ho a obetumi so e de aba. Hello. Hello. Hello.
So,
Aish.
July.
Hey, Auntie Na. Oh, Auntie Na, kuse. Line na at home. We patch 0260 19 60 64. 0260 19 60 65. Auntie Na can Sompa delight ya na line ya man. Hello.
Hello, Sompa.
Aish. Ya mwa kwaba.
Yeah. The charity.
Oh, Miss Sweet Charity. I'm fat last week for Auntie Charity akwaba.
Yeah. You get to be a home.
Nyamia drum. Pacho lower way nika krama me.
Whether me a sorry, okay. Yeah. What's the matter is now I'm a very good part because you can come out here.
Okay.
Because of the Nipano Edge, West of Town, you must also yeah, the man of the I don't know. I'm only to Sanifano.
Sir,
and I was in the Pana Kata, and then I can't for and I may attend to her. Kenya or the video of the fire and shall buy. And now, you will head just about it. Or no, what can take now, or years one. Now, what part Kenya, just let us get at you. After a woman more space to tell about the papa have I'm over now, like I say, I'm
wow.
Wow. What come on, no
show.
Last week, no, you got that three. It's almost 30 minutes.
Wow.
You cannot become there. I didn't see Anna, the money and I'm going to and I get out and you know, or I get out go. I got to go to no money.
Wow.
And it is then,
one cohobium, sir? And one
customer.
Lucy customer, and see, I was seeing
you can come up, madam. It's only like the nipper all year. I saw that because of that. It's a skill almost here. It's in a hard journey.
A hard journey. I was here, of course, your church, no musia. Auntie Charity, yes, we are dancing, Papa, Father Michelle. Who here say, ye church, na among for shia. Hello. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Pacha Mawakaba, but some delight so.
Yeah, but make a free from the 24.
Okay, Pacho Dino.
Within the Asanka Delight.
Hey, Asanka Delight, wow. And our friend Sompa Delight.
Sompa Delight, yeah.
Sharp.
Program way back there, man, or buy it. Man, in my 90%. Why I did, you see, sir, titulu body for man now, come out there, for me, I'm going to can. enim bi o na da dia no kura na awe so o ko sometimes o ko be plan no mo ti say we come sa o papa be class de te do mo be
sa na utimo ya de
enti mo mana o mo je tro mo de bri no be ni spy e kala sa kula mo
yeah no mo di say obi adwuma yate yate asanga the light e da say
so Ghana blaster
o do prediction ba na
and the Ghana blaster ye tina kono ba
chai
and the Ghana blaster
chai
Ghana blaster ship
ye sha hin tu
ye chetu for na ati baako
aha me de ani bia
ntie be ye tuwa
sharp any asaka the light me no fa won to ma be bo me dia no
ye gina kono ye sharp
sa ye amen amen asaka the light e da se bye chese eyi mami fa okay hello hey just one day good afternoon akwaba
yes really
and then me say me adom me hu ye pa and me say me lines me nje mu ntem but me time no sir
but me and pericope but
yeah pericope mami
but on your boy
amen no show so
in fact in fact me nyamu anka nya
kwa ye de nyamiase
in fact the customer way customer care
no so far no so ka ho customer care customer service
customer care ya mo chire no I think the last week no me phone share form because na me the Reverend Joseph Otapo program about grief about grief any name ya dene talking na me me chire me mind me ko na me phone me
kuse
no kasa yam krana
kuse erade be provide what erade be provide
amen but about because of the phone na me need be wo no ma aka phone so it will be frame it is the one ni pa no frame na me hu we ni me read phone I say me kata boko na ni pa ni ze ejata na ni pa na boni di say into boni di no ta ene dia na ba me voice word down say because na me nim na manenti we no the customer care na ele na kata ni we any time we am low we have a kata we am at the end no me say nyame nshirawo nyame nshirawo every day we am low we get kata we am say nyakopon nshirawo me me no and some we get graduate to can be about follow up o ye di mo bi I was so follow up any pano if can tell so that we are ko ye exercise and atari na adena me ye ma no
exercise
Ebimo so wo hono ma e bia ye fa ne teme me pama adi e bi o wa adi bi wo hono ma e wo so de bremi but from my friend no bo se na kai ne say oh me kwa me wa o san ka me be wo sa me o wa ma dream it is sometimes follow up and now checking on your customers and sometimes so the customer care boy
yeah
share ta ne ma no so
me da say
time ko sonko anka me da obi afita
and then for ne danasi me ma 1 second I mean 2 seconds for 90 year why
only pam pese me danasi pa won legal advice ma me apo me pa no but o me nim so event o je Scott Faman me dana peta nyakopon nhira no adidi oyema
o jo nyakopon so nhira o pa sa bibia o tie so mpa na me nhira enti me fa me last caller hello Pacha kwaba hello yeah hello fede ametunka
Pacha
good afternoon my dear
Pacha family kind
Pacha idino
Millicent.
Oh, Auntie Millicent. Akwaba. Aha.
Yeah. That's a program number 3.
Aha. Me pasha mo anonko.
There was people. I didn't know how much they Auntie Bina, lawyer, power.
Yeah.
And customer will say, they will tell the CIT. On our community, we are turning to the old banner.
Sa. Yeah, Nessa. Aunt Millicent, me so me da se papa. Nyamin show. In fact, na ne line ni munye papa, but me te so say obi obeto ade no kura ni sika nti wa wo ho no na wo se wo treat ni ye internet so ne ye adwene yo ye net efo ase ne no me take blame no me release the term, but I believe say I mean it's been a blessing for you. So I him say o'clock na yeah was so say yes some delight o'clock there na ye delight na ye educate na ye inform na just say bibia ye fine nti e da mo say ne mo ne ye hwebo mu Elder Jerry 1. Oh, my customer service guru. Why ni na nyamin show. I made that Sister Joa Swase, Svelte lady, nyamin show. St. Augustine, nyamin show. Lady Joanne, DJ papa osade ye ko internet so nyamin show. I me also admin abaha me chi ono so. Oh see oh. Abusiafo ediya me just ade Abena Ruthy. Me sorry see so I win him. Sompa for God and country. Eba Professor Abuchi why crowd in temperature channel men ko baby na bompa ma Black Stars what me meda